Hi guys, welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Today's video is a family room, kitchen, and powder room revitalization. Come along while I walk you guys through this fabulous project. Currently, you're looking at the family room. She wanted something fabulous for her back entertainment area. She thought that this was boring and a little bit dated. So we started off with adding wainscoting, painting out her existing area for her television, installed a new mantle for the fireplace, and extended that wainscoting from wall to wall. We kept the basics of everything in place, but just added loads of accessories. We also added additional seating. These two chairs were custom made, gave her wall art that was beautiful, and worked with her existing pieces. This is actually stunning, and what I love about this is we did not do any construction. We kept the television area. I took the scroll pattern off of it. I did remove the cast fireplace mantle. She was looking for something a little bit more traditional. Love the stone that we added on this fireplace mantle because it just dissipates. And over time, she will not have to replace. In the powder room area, it was dated. We had the gold. We added a custom cornice just to give it some character. Elevated the shower panels and had fabric added. We still have the vinyl so that it can be functional, but we wanted to make it a wow factor when you walked in the space. She had the builder grade mirror, the builder grade lights. We've elevated all of that, switched it out, gave her a round mirror, mimicked the round shape against the square sink in the shelves because it totally needed to be functional for guests to have a storage area for bath salt. Added gorgeous floral in the sink area, and this bathroom is absolutely amazing. Personal touches go a long way in a bathroom, so we did add the client's name a little bit throughout just to make the guests feel very, very comfortable. Added this gorgeous bath tile stand in here. It's a small space, but we found a small enough stand where you can add extra towels, bath salts. Go ahead and take a look at the remainder of this project. When you get to the kitchen area, how stunning that kitchen is going to look. From just paint, most of it's paint, backsplash, I added cabinets above the existing cabinets to give it more of a custom look. New backsplash, simply gorgeous. So much elegance and luxury for this space. The client was absolutely thrilled.
Yeah, no, you ain't no psycho. You're not like the others, no. No changing behaviors. Not sure how to act around you. So colorful and bright, yeah. I wanna be a 9 to 5. You made me come alive, babe. I wanna be the time of your life. Come change my life just for a while. Let's go for a ride now. Outside the club, we come alive. Let's go for a ride, yeah. I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. cause you're a winner. I'm not gonna fall down. This ain't my final round. Hey, drinking Annie in the corner. I don't wanna be alone. Hey, sitting looking like a loser, but I don't wanna lose ya. Come change my life just for a while. Let's go for a ride now. Outside the club, we come alive. Let's go for a ride now.
If you like this video, guys, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.